If you look at American society over the last, 100 years, it's really striking now that the only institution left on its feet that is thinking about the whole society, what kind of country we are, what kind of people we are, what are our values, are the unions. The unions think about not only the work, but the health care, the whole family kind of approach. Is the living wage enough so that you can be a real human being? Academia isn't really doing much for us. Business is not on that, platform particularly. It really is only the unions right now that are arguing for a whole person, whole family view of the worker in American society. And so in my mind, that means that we need to grow the union movement. We need to be much more than 11 or 12%. We need unions to be 60 or 70% of American workers, which means we need to go out there and find some ways to bring into the unions people that are not now with us and should be. But those are some of the thoughts I've got on May Day, that we need more unions. We've got to have some creative ways of getting there by fighting new kinds of battles and realizing that, boy, have we been going backwards for the last 20 years or so in the status of working families. Working people have been sliding slightly downhill year after year, while the society thought it was getting richer and richer because a few people were getting a lot richer.